Okay guys, we're out here with my Ruger American Ranch chambered in 223 and my Form 1 suppressor. Right, finally came through. For those of you who've been following, I've been doing this project for a while, but now we're finally out here ready to test it. We're going to be testing it through this, which is a 16-inch 223 bolt action. And it has a Nico Sterling on the top. I don't think you guys really care about that, but for those of you who are wondering. And all of the rounds we're going to be shooting through here are going to be supersonic at about 3,000 feet per second out of this setup. So I'll do 3 unsuppressed and then 3 suppressed, and so you guys can kind of see. I know the audio is going to be a little bit weird with the phone, but hopefully you guys can catch that or catch the difference. And then we'll get some, hopefully from downrange, I'll do some standing. You can kind of get the audio, the difference there from downrange. I'm also out here with some subsonic rounds that I've loaded myself. I know subsonic 223 doesn't really make much sense, but that's going to be the next video. I'm going to do some more testing, some more load development, and that'll come out hopefully next week. So stay tuned, but let's get to it. All right, since this is the first official test of the Form 1 suppressor eye protection, and I've also got my ear protection as well. Hopefully we won't need it, but we'll see. So first down the barrel, we're just going to do 3 suppressed. I do have some steel set up downrange, but I'm just going to go into the dirt, so you just get the audio of just the gunshot and the supersonic boom of the bullets going downrange. So let's start. It's actually a lot quieter than I thought it would be. I think it's probably hearing safe, so I'm going to take these out and just see how that sounds. I'm going to risk it, but this is for you guys. Yeah, definitely hearing safe. I mean, it's still loud, that bullet going downrange, supersonic. You hear that crack, but the boom is negligible. I'm gonna set you guys up downrange, and we'll get some downrange audio. Alright, I filmed this all out of sequence. I just finished doing the downrange ones, but I've come back to do, just so you can hear it close with the camera microphone. And again, I know it's not going to pick up the audio as I hear it because it kind of equalizes the audio levels, but that's fine. So I'm going to do a couple more from right here just so you guys can see, or hear maybe, and then we'll wrap it up. And that's it. I don't know how much value that provides you guys or how much information you got out of that, but hopefully it helps. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be doing some subsonics out of here. So I'll see you then. Thanks.